Good morning to all. In this video, we will learn about the anatomy of femoral triangle. Now, let's learn about the introduction of femoral triangle. Femoral triangle is a triangular depression on the front of upper one-third of the thigh, immediately below the inguinal ligament, as you can see in the diagram. Next, we will learn about boundaries of femoral triangle. Laterally, it is bounded by medial border of sartorius muscle. Then medially, it is bounded by medial border of adductor longus muscle. Base is made by inguinal ligament. Apex is directed downwards. It is formed by the point where medial and lateral border meets. Next, learn about the roof of the femoral triangle. Roof is made up of skin, superficial fascia and deep fascia. Superficial fascia containing superficial inguinal lymph nodes, femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve, branches of ilioinguinal nerve, superficial branches of femoral vessels, upper part of great saphenous vein, and deep fascia is bounded by saphenous opening and griffiform fascia. Next, let's learn about the floor of the femoral triangle. Medially, adductor longus and pectineus. Laterally, psoas major and iliacus muscle. That four muscles make to the floor of the femoral triangle. Next, let's learn about the contents of femoral triangle. First one is femoral artery and its branches. Second one, femoral vein and its tributaries. Third, nerves. Femoral nerve, nerve to pectineus, femoral branch of the genitofemoral nerve, lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. Fourth one, femoral sheath. Fifth one, femoral canal. Sixth, deep inguinal nodes. Next, learn about the content of femoral triangle. As you can see in the diagram, next let's look at the femoral sheath in detail. It is a funnel shaped sleeve of fascia enclosing upper 3 to 4 cm of femoral vessels. Femoral sheath is formed by downward extension of two layers of fascia of abdomen. Then walls of femoral sheath. Anterior wall is formed by the fascia transversalis and it is close to the transverse abdominis muscle. Then posterior wall is formed by the fascia iliaca which covers the iliacus muscle. Next, inferiorly, sheath merges with connective tissue around the femoral vessels. Next, we will learn about walls of femoral sheath. Femoral sheath is asymmetrical in shape. Lateral wall is vertical. Medial wall is oblique, being directed downwards and laterally. The femoral sheath is divided into three compartments: lateral compartment, intermediate compartment and medial compartment. Lateral compartment contains femoral artery and femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. Intermediate compartment contains femoral vein. Then last one is medial compartment. It is smallest of all and it is known as femoral triangle. Next, let's look at the femoral canal in detail. Medial compartment of femoral sheath is called femoral canal. It is conical in shape, being wide above at the base and narrow below. Is 1.5 cm long and 1.5 cm wide at the base. Base or upper end of femoral canal is called femoral ring. Next, let's look at the femoral ring in detail. Base or upper end of the femoral canal is called femoral ring. It is boundaries of femoral ring. Anteriorly, femoral ring bounded by inguinal ligament. Posteriorly, pectineus and it is covering fascia. Medially, it is bounded by concave margin of lacunar ligament. Laterally, it is bounded by the septum separating it from femoral vein. Thank you.